My name is Abhijit and I am here to tell you about the amazing cleaning tools from Sounce. This 5-in-1 cleaning kit is perfect for cleaning all your electronics like keyboards, laptops, cameras and more. It includes a nylon brush, flocking sponge, high density brush, metal pen tip and a keycap puller. The flocking sponge is great for cleaning the dust in wireless charging cases of your earphones. The high density brush is perfect for cleaning the dirt on the sound outlet holes of your earphones. The metal pen tip is great for getting rid of stubborn dust. And the keycap puller make it easy to remove the keycaps without any mess. The soft nylon brush is perfect for getting rid of dust and dirt. The cleaning kit is lightweighted and portable, so you can easily take it with you wherever you go. And it is perfect for cleaning all kinds of electronics from your AirPods to laptop. So if you are looking for a great cleaning tool, this is one for you. So go check it out now.
Hi guys, I'm Deepthi and today I'll be talking about this incredible stainless steel coconut opener. This tool features a sharp stainless steel blade that is perfect to open coconuts. Simply push the tool through the soft husk at the top of the tender coconut and twist to create an opening in the shell. This opener also comes with a cleaning stick. Enjoy fresh coconut water with this amazing tool.
My name is Korak Roy and this one is for all the fellow binge watchers out there. I love watching my favorite movies and shows on my mobile phone, and that's why I was looking for a good quality stand for my phone. My search ended with this mobile phone stand from Striff. Let me tell you more about it. This phone stand is designed to be foldable and extremely easy to slip into your pocket as well, making it suitable to be used in the office and home. Through the stand, you can directly adjust to your chosen angle from 10 different viewing angle options, ranging from 0 degree to 100 degrees. Furthermore, this stand can also be used to record videos. For your phone's safety, it is equipped with a superior ABS and rubber pads on the bottom, which protect the stand from sliding. This stand is available in multiple color variants such as white and black. So if you too are a binge watcher on your mobile phone just like me, get hold of this phone stand from Striff.